Sprayers are an essential tool for most contractors working in the landscape industry. To hold up under the demands of daily use, they need to be rugged and well built. Ewing has introduced a new line of multi-use sprayers that are up to the challenge and suitable for a variety of chemical applications, including pesticides, herbicides, and concrete chemicals. The sprayers are all equipped with long-lasting Viton seals and gaskets, providing maximum chemical resistance. Each sprayer comes with 6 nozzles for a wide range of liquid applications. These include a brass adjustable nozzle, low, high, and max volume fans, a jet stream nozzle, and a foaming nozzle. A manual with detailed information on assembly, use, and maintenance is also included with each product. The Ewing 2-gallon handheld pump sprayer was designed for easy, tool-free maintenance. It includes a 48-inch hose and a comfort grip with ergonomic pro shutoff, trigger lock-on, and an inline filter. The 21-inch poly wand is easily stowed using the clip at the top of the unit. The tank is equipped with a pressure release valve so you can remove the cap safely after use, and the base provides storage for the nozzles. The Impro 2-gallon sprayer is an upgraded, battery-powered version of the manual Ewing model that will give you consistent output pressure without pumping. It's powered by a 7.2-volt rechargeable lithium-ion battery with an integrated pump that can spray up to 24 gallons per charge. A pressure-regulating switch maintains pressure between 14 and 21 psi. The wand on the Impro model is made of steel for added durability. For larger jobs, the Ewing 4-gallon backpack sprayer has thick, adjustable, padded straps with a waist belt and chest strap to provide needed comfort for extended wear. An internal no-leak pump protects the operator from chemical leaks, and it's efficient, requiring less pumping to build and maintain pressure. The folding pump handle can be attached on the right or left side. A 50-inch hose is attached to a comfort grip with ergonomic pro shutoff, trigger lock-on, and an inline filter that leads to a steel wand for maximum chemical compatibility. The Impro 4-gallon backpack sprayer is the upgraded version of the Ewing model. It's powered by a rechargeable 18-volt lithium-ion battery that can spray up to 50 gallons on a full charge. To prevent the battery from getting wet or damaged by impact, the sprayer was designed with a protective compartment. The included compact charger will fully charge the battery in 3.5 hours. The Impro backpack sprayer has also been upgraded with a 50-inch heavy-duty kink-resistant hose and a harness with wider straps for added comfort and support. The water-resistant sealed switch assembly includes an LED state of charge indicator, so you'll know when it's time to charge the battery. If you're ready to upgrade to a new handheld or backpack sprayer, be sure to check out the new Ewing and Impro sprayers at your local Ewing branch. You can also visit us online at ewingirrigation.com.